Okay, let's be off. Okay, so we're going with the motorbike now.
Maybe.
Maybe. Is this footrest right? Just put my foot there. Okay. Now this motorbike, huh?
What's the problem?
You have a problem? What's the problem? I'm too heavy.
We ride the green light.
Oh, you're waiting for green. Okay.
Now is the red light is dangerous.
Okay. All right. So we just. How old is your motorbike?
About more than 20 years.
More than 20 years.
Oh.
Close. So now we're off to one of the factories, and Yulon's bike is 20 years old. Creaking, making a noise. Don't like this this guy on the back. Oh my goodness. Okay.
What?
Also close. Huh? But there's somebody inside. Ooh. So this is all scrap. Quartz. Guangzhou quartz. So now we're at this small factory. Yeah. The noise is so bad. So, YouTube. What's he asking? Huh?
我听不懂啊，你叫什么名字？我啊，小兵啊，啊，小眼睛，小眼睛，小眼睛。
So this is the kind of quartz that they are cutting, inclusion quartz, and from here they first cut it into a kind of a cube, and then from here they will be making beads from this. Okay, so these guys, I drop one in there, yeah? Oh, this is the natural material from where?
From
Russia. I didn't get that. so these guys are just cutting now, and okay, ask the mobile. Okay, after making it square, what is that side? What is in there?
你它里边就摆件啊，一些有。
What is there? What's this one? Just extraction.
Polish.
Polish.
first smoking.
Okay. How to do this? This is step one. After this, what do you do?
Let's go here.
Yeah. Make ball. Yeah.
After here.
Okay. So these machines make it round, and then this guy over here polishes it up until it's nice and shiny, and then making hole,
Yeah, on the green.
through the drill. Brazil. Okay. All right. Sorry. So these are beads that have already been made, and from here they have to drill holes. This is also amethyst that have now been polished up to a round bead. It would be very interesting to see how, and I think this kind of polishing. Yeah. Okay. So what he does, he puts some polishing powder on there. Okay. So this polishes it up. So these very thin blades, like that. 1 millimeter blades. And all of this is now going into the next phase, which would be polishing it up. What is this one going there now? Is it going into that? Okay. All be turned into beads. This is different grades, different sizes. So these are all mixed now because of the size of the cubes, and then from here they will be sorted.
For the size.
So this kind of one will make maybe a 10 millimeter, and they put this in a sieve and then they jiggle it around, and all the ones that fall through is that specific size.